All right, the next one we're going to be taking a look at is PTCO, currently traded at a $1.6831. It looks like that we covered this on the 30th for the first time, and that would have been right here. I said watch for bouncing off bottom, going to need to break the 20-day simple moving average right up here. As my note said, it didn't happen, and I said that it needed to break it. You guys tried the next day, and it just pulled back. Then we covered it again on the first, which is right here where that red line is. That is going to be the first one we looked at. I said watch for a bounce off the lower Bollinger Band and a $1.12 support to hold. We draw that red line right there. If this happens, it could bounce. If not, hold. And look at what happened. It did. It bounced up just as I thought. And for all those people that were interested in it, $1.12, now you're at $1.66 comfortable. So congratulations for everybody that pitches in and watches our live stream, and congratulations to the person, or rather thanks to the person, whoever brought this to us, because I mean, we go through so many stocks, we can't even keep up who brings them. But the first time we look at them, you know, it kind of sets up for later on. Again, right now, you guys bounced up off of here. And now the support is at $1.5098. But remember, you guys now have a gap. The gap's going to be from $1.50 to $1.58. I'm going to put a hold on this because I have a feeling it's going to pull back down to that line right there. Not all doom and gloom, like I said, but just healthy trading. We're still plenty of time to trade for today, so it might even happen today. And then that is all I have to add, Joe.
All right, so PetroGas Company Incorporated is an oil and gas exploration and production company focused on the acquisition of properties in areas with significant oil reserves and drilling potential. The company's growth strategy includes the acquisition of oil fields from distressed third parties and at a substantial discount to value, and development of fields whose potential has not been fully maximized. For more information for investors, you can visit the www.petrogascompany.com. So that's their latest press release right here was on February 1st. PetroGas Company acquires mineral rights in Oklahoma. So Dave, if you pull that up right there, last time we went over it, there was on January 25th, there was PetroGas Company acquires oil and gas parcels in Montana. And then January 30th, PetroGas acquires interest in 6 wells in Oklahoma and Texas and all this other stuff. So, I mean, these guys right here, they're obviously doing a lot of acquisitions right now. Because, I mean, you figure just on the news in the last, like, month, literally, in the last month, there was different, let's see, 1, 2, 3, maybe at least 5 or 6 companies that they acquired, or parcels.
Oh, wow.
Land parcels. Yeah. Because they're basically acquiring distressed, you know, oil and gas places. So I mean, this one right here, we will go look in the filings, but that will show a lot of 8Ks, I'm sure, for all these acquisitions.
Okay. All right, so
the 10Q was from the 25th.
Right, you guys see that here? Okay. All right, Joe, company profile, time and sales, recent news, filings and financials, the message board, all that information regarding this one is going to be available on investorshangout.com. Again, I think that was pretty, 2 consecutive calls on this were completely accurate as far as I'm concerned, especially the bounce off of this. Again, $1.66, hold for a pullback. Let me go ahead and update that. Hold for a pullback off of the down to the $1.50. It really comes down to the buying interest, but then again, you guys have a gap right there, and as I always say, it tends to fill. So I would keep an eye on it. It could bounce off that level once it gets down there. Again, after that, your resistance level is going to be quite a ways up there. Any major resistance, I guess you could say, would be around the $2.45 area. To give you an exact, $2.4507. So again, that is going to be PTCO. Head over to investorshangout.com/live. Check out the live stream and tell us about the stocks that you follow. We'll be sure to take a look at them in the next stream.